Hey everybody. Hope you guys had a good weekend. We only have 2 more weeks. That last week of school, we only have like 2 days, so we probably won't be doing much. I know that's exciting for you and your parents. Um, so let's get to it. This week's news to you is thanking hospital workers. So, thanking hospital workers. So, as you know, with the coronavirus or COVID 19, hospital workers are having to go in and work up front with these people. They're having to alter a lot of things that they do, just like we are. Sorry, guys. The weather's getting to me. And they're having to put masks on and cover themselves up and shields and all kinds of stuff all day long. They're putting themselves in danger every day to make sure that people that are sick are taken care of, whether it's with the coronavirus or if they're just sick. So here is our core board this week. I just said sick. Okay, people still have to go to the hospital because they might be hurt. Okay, you got doctors and you got nurses. But I think it's also important. I like that they put this on here, the janitor. It's important to remember other people that might work at the hospitals or the nursing homes and things like that are working with these people, because it's not just doctors and nurses that are out there. So, there are people that clean the hospitals that are really getting down with the coronavirus and up front with it and have to be very careful. So all those people are super important. So this coming week, this week, May 10th through the 16th is National Hospital Week. So let's see what our story's about. Maybe. All right. So our what is thanking hospital workers. Having some trouble today. I've been running around and it's raining cold and it's got me all not feeling great. So bear with me on that. All right. So thanking hospital workers. Hospital workers are very busy now. Many people are sick with the coronavirus. So remember, the coronavirus is why we're staying home. We're trying to stop the spread of it. We're trying to protect ourselves and protect others. Hospital workers are helping sick people become healthy. Hospital workers work in hospitals. People who are very sick may go to hospitals. People who are hurt may go to hospitals too. People who are sick or hurt need help. Hospital workers can help these people. Hospitals have many kinds of hospital workers. A hospital worker may be a doctor, a nurse, a therapist. So, they have physical therapists, occupational therapists. They have psychiatrists. They have mental health therapists. So there are many different types of therapists that work in the hospital, just like some of you guys have some that visit your house or school to work with you. Okay? They have aides. So just aides that help out the nurses and doctors. And they have pharmacists. So all the medicines that people are given at the hospitals, they have pharmacists there that give that out or prescribe it. Hospital workers do many things. A hospital worker may do surgery, take a temperature, give medicine, and more. Hospital workers include janitors and cafeteria workers too. Janitors make hospitals clean. A clean hospital can help people be healthy. They're very important right now. Cafeteria workers cook food in hospitals. Eating good food can help people be healthy. So there are people still there that are feeding the patients that are in the hospital. I'm not sure if the cafeteria is open. I would say it's probably not in a hospital right now. But they still have to make food to feed those that are in the hospital. So they are very important. All hospital workers are important. People can thank hospital workers anytime. A good time to thank hospital workers is National Hospital Week. National Hospital Week is May 10th through the 16th in 2020. This week celebrates hospital workers. People can do things to thank hospital workers. People can make cards, send emails, and write letters. People can send food to hospitals. Hospital workers can enjoy the food. This is going to be my challenge this week. Some of you guys did the challenge last week. Some of you didn't. I'm going to urge everyone to do this one because this is easy. So your writing prompt this week is going to be to write a letter. Okay, and it's on your writing prompt on the site. If you want to go above that and make a card, you guys can deliver that to me, or I can come get it from you. And I have a place, we're going to talk about that, where I'm going to send those cards. Or if you would like an email and you would like to send an email, they would like that too. So this is your challenge this week, and I really want you guys to do it. I think this is important, okay? And we'll talk more about that as we continue. People can thank hospital workers on social media too. So Facebook, TikTok, that's the new thing right now. Twitter, what else is out there? Snapchat, Instagram, whatever you might have or your parents might have. They can say why hospital workers are important. So that is my second. I want you to send me a video thanking the hospital workers and telling them why they're important to you. And I'm going to put those together and send them to a friend. People can share pictures and videos. They can share stories about hospital workers. People can use the hashtag #MyHospital in their posts. Cities across the U.S. have hospitals. Many hospital workers are very busy now. They are helping people sick with the coronavirus. Many people are thanking hospital workers. How can you thank a hospital worker? So that is our big question. So anything that you write, I'm just going to take off of the writing prompt and put it in a Word document, and I'm going to send it out. Again, if you want to get fancy and put pictures on it, you can go a different route. If you want to hand make a card, I will come get it. Or if your parents just want to drive, you can drop it off to me. Then we can see each other. I really think this is important for you guys to give back to those that have helped you along the way as well. If there's somebody specific that you have that you want to give it to, that would be fine too. Otherwise, I'm going to give them to nurses and doctors at Veterans Hospital. My closest friend works there, and they've been fighting the coronavirus, and actually numerous of their nurses and doctors have come down with it and been sick, and it's been tough. So I think it would really lift their spirits, and I'm sure that's anywhere, but I'm just close in heart with veterans because of some of the stories that I've been told. So that's where those will go. If you want to send me the video of you thanking a hospital worker, a nurse, a doctor, I will also be sure to share those. And I think that this is something simple that we can all do this week. And I'm going to participate as well. I put the cooking on here because I think that this one's really simple. Although I would say that I would alter it a little bit. So this is more for your parents if they're not with you, if you want to show them this. We've done something similar in school. So this is our recipe page this week. And it's healthy pepper pizzas. So what it has you doing is putting the pizza stuff onto peppers. If you don't like peppers, then it takes away the healthy. But why don't you guys do our garlic bread pizza that we do at school a lot? Maybe you can show your parents how to do it if you remember. Okay. If you need help remembering and you want to do this, call me, text me, video chat, and I can walk you through it. Okay, so here's a healthy pepper one, or try cooking, again, your garlic bread pizzas, or you can use English muffins. Either one, it's the same recipe, you're just changing out the bread. So this will be something fun for you guys to do this week if you would like to participate. So that's all. Again, try to do the challenge. I really want you to do the challenge this week. I'll give you a shout out. I think that it's just really important, again, to give back to those who are really putting themselves on the line right now. So that's all. I only have a couple minutes. It doesn't let me record too long. So have a good week. 2 more weeks. You guys can do it. Okay, we can get through this, and then you're going to get summer break, and hopefully we can get back together when school starts next year. Love you guys. Reach out if you need anything, and have a good day.